Today's retail supply chains, while more efficient than ever, often lack one crucial element: transparency. In a world increasingly shaped by conscious consumerism, customers are not just asking what they are buying, but how, where, and by whom it was grown. At the same time, farmers, especially in regions like the Indian subcontinent, are struggling to keep pace with the rapidly evolving tech driven markets. They are often disconnected from the value chain of their own produce, unseen, unheard, and unprecedented. Our idea stemmed from Walmart's very own commitment to empower local farmers through grants and resources. We asked, what if we extended their mission digitally, transparently, and inclusively? To extend accessibility and align closely with Walmart's existing digital identity, the FarmMart website mirrors Walmart's authenticity and design philosophy. It includes a familiar navigation element connected directly to Walmart's official website via ribbon tabs. It becomes an anchor point for both Walmart employees managing the inventory and farmers submitting their batches, bridging the corporate retail and grassroots agriculture. One of the most impactful features on the website is the eye catching notice posting banner. The logged in Walmart administrator can post real time requirements of the items needed in their inventory. This fosters transparency in sourcing needs, reduction of overstocking and inventory mismanagement, and improved alignment between supply and demand. At the same time, farmers browsing the platform can view these requirements and plan their crop batches accordingly, helping them to find the right buyers at the right time. Admins also gain access to every finalized crop batch, complete with associated blockchain hashes, ensuring traceability, authenticity, and data integrity at every level. To bring ease of technology and open the world of opportunity into their very hands, the FarmMart iOS mobile application allows farmers to log into the app and document every phase of their crop journey. The farmers enter their crop type, the seed variety, their land preparation method, the tools used, the fuels utilized, their linear specifics, irrigation methods, and pest control records. They also add photographic evidence at each stage to maintain credibility. Once complete, these details are finalized and securely added to a private blockchain, making the data immutable and fully transparent. Customers using the app can simply scan a QR code on any product it stores and instantly view the full journey of that crop from seed to shelf, exact materials, seed variety, water usage, and more. Real photos of the farm, land, and processes involved. This is more than just data. It's research. It gives customer the power to make informed and conscious choices. Our website plus application solution delivers inventory clarity through real-time admin notices, reduces wastage via supply need alignment, farmer empowerment through traceable digital presence, consumer trust through total product data transparency, and sustainability sourcing via data bank decisions. We are here to bridge this gap from soil to shelf. Thank you.